Marker challenge?
And the Doom one.
The Tunnel of Doom? That was cool. So do what?
And the balls. What's the fun?
And the balls? You super excited. So dude, tell us about the Nerf gun. Like you missed all the cans. Like what happened, dude?
I was trying to get
You were trying to shoot the cans? But for some reason it didn't work. The first gun that you had, it didn't work. But the second gun it did. Yeah.
Can I get some of these?
I don't know, about to see who's the winner. Ready to know who's the winner?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
me.
No.